Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how you can turn off Discord notifications on your Discord. So if you're like in unnecessary servers that you don't want to be in, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and just like turn off the notifications. It's pretty simple. I'll show you how. So for example, if for this server, I'll take this as an example. I would just go ahead and click on this option right here, click on the server name right here, and then it should drop me down with a bunch of options, and I go ahead and click on notification settings, and here you have a whole lot of options that you gotta go select from. Say for example, it says for server notification settings, do I want to have do I only want to have only mentions like have notified to me, or do I want to have nothing, or do I want to have all messages come up on my notification? So since I only want people mentioning me as on my notification, I have set it up on only add mentions. Now if you don't want that too, you can just go ahead and click on nothing, and that way you will have like no notification from that particular server. It's really easy, not that hectic. And you can go ahead and suppress everyone, and I mean add here and add everyone. And for suppress highlights, you can also go click on mute if you want to do so. Since I have not done it, it probably means I do not want to do that. And then you just gotta go ahead and click on done, and you will be done with the settings. And that way you will have no notifications bothering you every time on your phone or your device.